So hey guys, it's me Nishant. We just got this laptop. The model number is laptop is untitled area, so you can see what is the model number. As you can see, this laptop comes with some glossy effect, and if you can see in the front tab, there is a glossy effect of the glass. You can see it's totally glossy. And now the charging pin is the corner side, the far behind of it. Lenovo has interested with charging pin in the front area, so which is was great, but it has totally on corner side. Now let's open the laptop and see how it looks. Also, now as you can see in the keyboard area, there is a nice design here, which I really like. The design is very classic and cool here. Keyboard is very sharp and very comfortable to type. You can see it's not bad. It's very comfortable to type. If you're using two hand to type, you can easily tap the keyboard is very great. And now the power button is the side area. Okay, this is the touch panel. Touch panel is also very cool here, very soft and very sensitive. I have used Lenovo laptop and many other laptop, but I did not see any laptop which this kinds of sharp mouse pad, which is really great. On the other side, there is a two button, left and right button is also there, which is clickable as you can see. Now let's see on the front side what is the back side. Front side you can see is just a logo, one logo, and the back side if you see there is some description about the product, and here is the speaker panel. One speaker is here, one speaker is here, and this you can see this is the rubber grip. So basically if you're using table or glass table to hold the laptop, it's going to give good grip here. On the side there is a battery. A battery is too slim here. I don't know how it's going to give for power backup. Battery is too slim. I never see any battery which that slim amount of. Now there is another side. It's a metallic look to this gearing, but it's not metal, it's plastic. Now let's come back and see on the right side. On the right side of the laptop, as you can see, there is a USB and there is a CD panel. Now let's open the CD panel, show you. As you can see, it's a CD panel, and another is, I don't know what the use of this thing. Anyway, so this is the one USB. I think it's 3.0. So they have mentioned that this laptop has two 3.0 USB, micro USB. So it's really great. And here you can see there is some LED which is giving the indication what happening. And this is the card reader where you can insert your card. Now let's on the left side. Hello. Record हो रहा है, उससे हटाओ तो कहते यार इसी से रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था. On the left side, as you can see, there is also, let me show you. On the left side, as you can see, there is a मत कर बे क्या कर रहा है, वीडियो खराब कर रहा है मेरा. And left side, as you can see, this is the two micro USB and one HDMI cable. So now as you can see in this power charging section is also a LED indicator which showing that it's charging. चालू है माइक. हाँ वही से रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था, बहुत सेंसिटिव माइक है तो दूर कर देगा तो सुन लेगा तेरे को. Now I'm going to open the laptop and show you how speed is this. इसको नीचे से पकड़. Now as you can see, screen is HD, not full HD, so it's not that much of the screen, but the screen quality is really great, and we have given the HD graphics, so you can play also games if you want. Now let's as you can see, this is the video which I'm playing right now. I'm just going to give the full screen on 1080 pixel, and also I'm going to show you quality and the audio sound of this laptop. So Now as you can see, it's right now playing on 1080 pix and so on. Sound quality is very awesome. Yeah, you going to highly enjoy that if you're watching movies or short documents or news. Picture quality is really awesome. Yeah, and as you can see. Now I'm going to use this laptop for a day, and then I'm going to tell you about the battery backup, which how much is going to give. The good thing which I liked about this laptop, which has, they mentioned that they're going to give the processing speed 2.5 highest, but right now when I open the task manager, I see it's going almost 2.85 gigahertz, sometime 2.9, as you can see. As you can see, it's right now on 2.5 2.77 gigahertz speed. Let's see. So this is a great thing about the problem is that with RAM, because as you can see, it's right now it's 4 GB RAM, and Windows 10 almost using 72% RAM right now, 2.8. So you cannot able to run the big game. So that's it, and in this price range I highly recommend this laptop because the build quality is very awesome, and the main review will be after the use of almost 1 or 2 months, because there is lots of laptops which build quality is bad, but keyboard or some kinds of honor they given, but right now it's look fine. So thanks for watching. If you have any question related to this laptop, you can ask me. I am trying to give the best review as possible. And also I think I should show you a webcam, what is the quality they have given on webcam. They have mentioned that it has HD camera, but let's see how it's look. So right now I'm just opening camera, and so yeah, it's HD camera. As you can see, quality is great of the camera, it's clearly capturing. So HD camera you can also blog with using this camera, very good. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.